Hi everyone, welcome to Digital Journey. In this video we will discuss about how to work on the templates. You in the last video you see loads of the template are there in the Canva. So how we can work on the Canva templates. So basically you have to search bar is there. In the search bar just have to enter your query. It can be like digital marketing. Once you will enter your query, so the design is there that has been created by yourself. Otherwise in below you will see the option of the Canva templates. Here you can see lots of the template that is related to the digital marketing. So you can browse all the particular templates. Once you will like this for any kind of the template, so just click on that and you can use it. There are a lot of the templates you can see here. So now what you can do, you can also click on the see all. So all the templates, approx 20,000 templates is there on this particular digital marketing word. So the multiple templates is there. Now what we have to do, we have to click on all filter. Once we will click on all filter, so here you can see that the filter is there. Currently you can see the lot of the mix up of the template is there. The post, the reel, the banner. This is the banner. So multiple templates is there, multiple type of the templates. If you need for specific type of, then you use the filter part. Click on the all filter. When you will click on the all filter, the business related all will be reflected here. This will be social media related. This will be education. This will be video, and this will be marketing related. So all the type of the template will be reflected here. Once you will click on the Insta post and apply, so all the templates will be only for the Insta post. Then that particular part you can use in the Insta post only. Let's suppose we have to choose these templates. So click on that particular templates. Once you will click on this particular templates, click on the customize this template. So the lot of option is there. You can see the lot of the option. So in this way you can use the template. Suppose if you want to change something, so just double click on this and write what the text you want to write here. According to you, you can write any kind of the text you want to write on your particular creative. In the same way, suppose if we select this template, so there are a lot of the template that's also visible here. So you can also choose this particular simple step to be successful. Practice self-care, stay humble, take risks, never stop dreaming, stay focused. So this kind of the templates you can also click on the customize this template and you can start creating this kind of the templates. And once done with this editing of these templates, you can just post it on the social media where you want to create these templates. So this is the normal parts. In the upcoming video we'll discuss these the complete Canva editor. We will discuss this complete Canva editor. In this we will discuss all design, text, etc. So under the templates you can also see multiple templates. Once you will click on the filter, you can also choose the format, you want it on square, it want on 4:5. So according to your requirement you can choose it. When you click on the 4:5 ratio, so all the posts will be reflected look like. Now you can also select the style of the corporate style you want to corporate style. So the corporate style will be there, rest has been disappeared. So as you can see that. So there's a lot of the filter in the Canva templates that you can use to filter out your data. That can themes, features, topic, color. On the basis of the color you can also classify your templates. From that you can create the templates related to your brands only. Otherwise, if you will choose different color theme for the templates, then you can also customize the color theme in the editor part. So this is the template overview. Whatever the business requirement is, on the basis of that requirement you can create the complete template. You can add the templates and you can start working on that. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question you can ask in the comment section. Have a nice day. Take care.